The audit of DEF Limited. The auditor had made use of certain analytical procedures with regard to certain key data in the statement of profit and loss account he made. The result obtained showed inconsistence with other relevant documents. The results are inconsistent. State the course of action auditor should take. Ensure that the audit risk of material misstatement would be contained to low level, fixed at a material level. So as per the fixed level should be low. But when we conducted audit, the data has mismatch. What should do? First, he should revise the plan. Not only revise the plan, he need to inform the management why this risk, why this is data mismatch. We should inquire that this is enough or no. Substantial audit procedure, SAP, he need to do. Then to reduce the material risk, he need to increase the audit sample. So if we do things, this can be fixed. SA 520 analytical procedure. If analytical procedure performed according with standard of audit, identify fluctuation, identify relationship that are inconsistent with other relevant information or inconsistent with the difference at expected values or significant amount. The amount is different from significant matters. Auditor should investigate such differences. What should we investigate? So there is fluctuation or there is a relationship, some fluctuation. The data which we audited and the books of accounts at the same time the audit evidence. That is the difference. What is the difference? Purchase the entry is 20,000, but in the purchase invoice 19,050. There is around 950 rupees different. What? Why there is a difference? Such a questions we asked. So this is what the mistakes. Inquire the management, obtain appropriate audit evidence relevant to manager's response. So first you should ask the management why is this mistake, why it has been difference in this. Second, performing that response should be documented. It's audit evidence. Perform the audit procedure to necessary in circumstances. Sometimes, example, in the case of the data's balance, you can give external confirmation. That's a procedure you can do. It's an audit procedure. By evaluating the responses taken into account, auditor understanding the entity and its environment and with other audit evidence obtained during the course of audit. So during the course of audit, he's understanding entity and understanding its environment and its audit evidence applied, and he should apply his professional judgment to obtain the most evident that is used for his provider report. Need to provide audit procedure may arise when, for example, management is unable to provide explanation. Management is not able to provide an explanation. We should apply the audit procedure. Explanation together with audit evidence obtained relevant to management report is not considered adequate. Sometimes you need to do audit procedure because when you ask a question, management has given an answer, but the answer is not so clear. Answer is not sufficient. There's not sufficient information to clarify your doubts. Then you should do a substantial audit procedure. Using substantial audit procedure is based on the auditor's judgment about the expected effectiveness and efficiencies available. Audit procedures to reduce the audit risk oxidation level to acceptable low level. So this audit procedure, why you need to perform is to bring the risk to acceptable low level. You are going to give the opinion. So for that opinion, you should reduce the risk assessment. Auditor should perform following course of action that the risk material misstatement would be contained to a low level fixed as per material level. Accuracy with which expected result is substantial analytical procedure can be proceeded. So, substantial analytical procedure should be done to predict accuracy of expected result. The result is what we are going to give a report. Three type of report: qualified, unqualified. Qualified report, two type: disclaimer opinion, adverse opinion. Why? Based upon the audit evidence. So the result is to give an opinion. For the opinion, you need audit evidence. That audit evidence can be conducted to audit procedure. Why audit procedure? When management is not providing information or data which is collected is not why it could such what kind of audit procedure you need to provide? Substantial audit procedure that you need to follow. This is what being to be answered to this question.